Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now I want to give the clear explanation of the UGC NET paper 1 solutions for the June 2019, that is already over. The previous solutions that I want to give once again. The main intention of providing the solutions for this previous papers is it may be helpful to the students who are appearing for the UGC NET exam and AP set exam, which are going to be conducted in the month of the October. So I wish you all the best to the students who are appearing for the examinations. I think these solutions may be helpful to you. And one more thing, please listen. That is, some of the mathematical solutions are also there that I will explain on the board, because explanation here is not possible. Screen recording here it is not possible. So after this video, I will post another video regarding the solutions which are there. The mathematical problems are there in the paper one. So please watch that video also. The attachment video also followed by this I will post here. Okay. Thank you. So now we will start from the question 1 onwards. To organize discussion method in teaching effectively, which of the following conditions should be met? Okay, the first one is topic be easy, topic be declared in advance, topic of common interest, availability of more than one teacher, language facility of participants. Here, which are relevant to that? Number one, topic be declared in advance. Okay, and next, topic of common interest of all the students, and language facility should be there for all the participants. So the correct answer is B, C, and E. Okay, so option 1 is the correct answer. Now coming to the question 2, which among the following best describes the emotional intelligence of learners? Okay, so here the options given as understand the emotion of other people and your own, express oneself very strongly. Please look at which are relevant to this. Okay, then you can tick. Express oneself very strongly, being rational in thinking, adjusting one's emotion as per the situation, being creative and open to criticism, accepting other people as they are. So which are matching to this emotional intelligence of learners? Understand the emotion of other people and your own. Okay, so this one will be matching. And next one is matching adjusts the one's emotion as per the situation, because this is relevant to emotional intelligence of the learners. Okay, and what is the next one it is going to be matching is accepting other people's as they are. We have to accept their emotions also. So the answer is A, D, and F. We have chosen the relevant things A, D, and F. So the answer is A, D, and F. Now coming to the third one, in which of the following research studies interpretation and meaning get more attention than formulation of generalization? Okay, so for this check the relevant answers for this. Okay, the relevant answers are number one, historical studies, survey studies, and philosophical studies, ethnographic studies, hypnothetico studies, ex post facto studies, hypnothetico deductive studies, and ex post facto studies, which are relevant to the research studies interpretation meaning get more attention than formulation of generalizations. Okay, so historical studies, okay, that gives more attention. And next one, philosophical studies, okay, that gives more attention. And ethnographic studies. So these three are the studies of interpretation and give meaning more attention for than formulation of generalizations. So historical, philosophical, and as well as the ethnographic studies are the answers, where the option 4 is the answer. Okay, so question number 4, bibliography given in a research report. Why? What is the use of the bibliography? It helps the interested in further research, because they can select from where these people have taken the contents, and basing on that they will select their further research. So obviously bibliography helps those interested in their further research only. Remaining all are irrelevant. Shows the vast knowledge of the researcher. The bibliography won't show this one. And make the report authentic. It's not the correct answer and is an optional part of the report. It is also not the correct answer. And question number 5, who developed the theory of multiple intelligence? Howard Gardner is the person who developed the multiple intelligence. Multiple intelligence is developed by Howard Gardner, remember. Okay, and next coming to the next one is the research design is specifically related to which of the following features of the research. Okay, sample selection, formulation of the plan, deciding about the tool for data collection, hypothesis making, choice of field of inquiry. First of all, we have to find out the plan. So the second one is the first one, formulation of the plan. What is the next one is we have to find out the hypothesis making. We have to make the hypothesis making. And next one, what is the field of inquiry? We have to find out the field. So that is the next one. This is the sequence. So formulation of the plan, hypothesis making, and choice of field inquiry. So for sample selection, formulation of the plan, designing about the tool for data collection, hypothesis making, choice of field inquiry. First of all, we have to find out the sample, okay, and then we have to formulate the plan, okay, and then deciding about the tool for data collection. This hypothesis making, choice of field inquiry, these are the again further things. So we have to select the second option, which is the for sample selection formulation. Here he has given sample selection, formulation of the plan, deciding about the tool for data collection. This one is the correct answer for this question number 6. Now coming to the question number 7. Through which research method the manipulation of an independent variable and its effect on dependent variable is examined with reference to a hypothesis under controlled conditions? Okay, so the conditions should be controlled, and we are going to examine the manipulation of independent variable and its effect on the dependent variable. This can be done under the experimental research. So the answer is obviously the experimental research. Okay. And now coming to the question number 8. Which of the following statements explain the concept of inclusive teaching? Okay. So how many number of the statements that explains the concept of inclusive teaching? Teacher facilitates the learning of the gifted students. Teacher facilitates the learning of weak students. And teacher takes support of parents of the students to make them learn. Teachers make the students of different backgrounds to learn together in the same class. Which one is relevant to that? Teacher makes the students of different backgrounds to learn together in the same class is nothing but the concept of the inclusive teaching. Okay, so the inclusive teaching from different backgrounds of the students make together. So this one is the correct answer. Question number 8 is the for question number 8, option 4 is the correct answer. Next, coming to the question number 9, which of the following is a plagiarism checking website? Normally, we are having Turnitin and Grammarly. These two are most widely used plagiarism checking websites. So 1 and 4 also are the correct answers for this question, question number 9. Okay. Now coming to the question number 10. From the list of effective teaching behaviors, identify those which are called key behaviors. Okay, so key behaviors, what are the key behaviors? Direct audible and oral delivery to the students, encouraging students to elaborate on answer, warm and nurturing relationships with the students, varying modes of presentation, preventing misbehavior with the minimum of class disruption. Which are relevant to that teaching behavior here? Direct audible and oral delivery to all the students, and varying modes of presentation is relevant. And the next one is presenting misbehavior with the minimum class disruption is also relevant. The last one, organizing what is come and summarizing what has gone before, this is not the relevant. So the answer is 1, 4 and as well as fifth one. So option is 1, question number 1. Okay, 1, 4 and 5 having in the option number 1. So question number 10, the answer is option 1. Okay, and the next one is the comprehension. You can directly read the entire comprehension and you can answer this comprehension. Okay, so comprehension I am not answering here. Later I will give one example comprehension and I will answer that. You can keenly read the comprehension and write the answer directly. Okay, now coming to the Question number 16. Okay. Given below are two premises with four conclusions drawn from them. Which of the following conclusions could be validly drawn from the premises? Okay. The first one is no paper is pen. Some papers are handmade. Okay. So what are the correct answers for this? We are having no paper is a pen. Some papers are handmade. So what is the valid conclusion? All papers are handmade. Some handmade are pen, some handmade are not pen, all handmade are paper. The valid conclusion here is some handmade are not pen. Some paper are handmade, no paper is pen. Okay, the conclusion is some handmade are not pen. Okay, because no paper is a pen, because some handmade are not pen is the valid conclusion here. The option 3 is the right answer. Okay, now coming to the question number 17. If the proposition houses are not bricks and is taken to be false, then which of the following propositions can be true? All houses are bricks, no house is brick, some houses are bricks, some houses are not bricks. All houses are bricks, no house is brick, some houses are bricks, some houses are not bricks. For this proposition, okay, the houses are not bricks is taken to be false, then which of the following proposition can be true? Houses are this can be taken as the false means houses are bricks, right? And the proposition that is true for this is houses are bricks, some houses are bricks, because not all houses are bricks. This is the valid one. So valid proposition, that is some houses are not bricks, some all houses are bricks, no house is brick, some houses are bricks, some houses are not bricks. Okay, this can be taken as false. Which of the following can be true? Then some houses are not bricks, this one is the true. Okay, so some houses are bricks, this also can be true, but we are considering these houses are not bricks is taken into as the false. Okay, so that's why whenever it is taken into false, houses are bricks, it is converted into. So some houses are bricks, option C is the correct answer. So where the option C is there, for option 4 is the correct answer. So this is the question number 17. Okay, today's media society is society equation is largely mystical, morally bound, consumer conscious, or traditional centric. Today's media society equation is largely depending upon the consumer conscious. Okay, so option 3 is the answer for this. Next, coming to the question number 19, choose the correct sequence of the communication from the options given below. Those are information, exposure, persuasion, behavioral change, persuasion, information, behavioral change, exposure, exposure, information, persuasion, behavioral change, or behavioral change, information, persuasion, exposure. Which one is the correct answer? First one is the exposure, the sequence. Exposure is then comes into the information. Information is persuasion, and persuasion gives the behavioral change. This is the correct sequence for the question number 19. Next, question number 20. Oar is to robot and foot is to what? Foot is to skateboard. Okay, oar is to robot. To work with the robot we require oar. So on the foot we are attaching the skating for skateboard. Okay, so like this, some analogy is representing here: oar for robot, foot for skateboard. Okay. Next one. Which of the following is a function of mass media? Okay. Mass media function is to transmit culture, to formulate national policies, to help the judiciary take its decisions, to stabilize the share market. The main function of the mass media is to transmit the culture. This option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, and coming to the question number 22 and question number 23 and question number 24, and as well as the these three questions, whereas 22, 23 and 24, just watch the video what I am posting there. I will give the answers, I will explain these questions on the board. Okay, please watch the next video, attached video, after this video. Okay, I will upload this video also after this, so please watch that. These 22, 20, sorry, 23, 24, 25 I will answer. on that board. Okay, I will explain on the board. So now coming to the sorry, 22, 23, 24 questions. 22, 23, 24. Now coming to the question number 25, identify the reasoning of the following argument. Use the teaching aids in the classroom to enhance learning is important in a similar way as that of use of ICT for production of the knowledge. Okay, use of teaching aids in the classroom to enhance learning is important. In the similar way, we are making the similar sentence with the another sentence. This sentence with another sentence. That means whenever we are making the similar sentence with one sentence with another sentence, then that is called as the analogy. That is called as what? Analogy. Okay, this is called as the analogical here. Okay, the answer is analogical. And next, all republics are grateful and some republics are not grateful. Okay, cannot both be true and they cannot both be false. This is called as what? All republics are grateful and some republics are not grateful. Cannot both be true and cannot both be false. Whenever the situation where cannot both be true and cannot both be false, then that is called as contradictories. So the answer for this is as contradictories. Okay, and for question number 7 also, 27 also, I will explain on the board. Now, coming to the question number 28. In a classroom situation, a teacher organizes group discussion to help arrive at a solution of a problem. In terms of a model of communication is used. It will be called as what kind of the model? It will be called as the transactional model. In a classroom situation, a teacher organizes group discussion to help arrive at a solution of the problem. Whenever we are representing this as a model, this is called as a transactional model. Question number 29. The proposition no historians are non-mathematician is equivalent to which of the following proposition? All historians are mathematicians. Option number 1 is the correct answer. No historians are non-mathematicians is equivalent to which of the following proposition? Whenever we remove no here from both sentence from both webs some sorry from both nouns, all historians are mathematicians. So option 1 is the correct answer for question number 29. Okay, now coming to the question number 30. The dance of a honeybee conveying to other bees where nectar will be found is an example of number 1 mass communication, number 2 group communication, number 3 interpersonal communication, number 4 intrapersonal communication. The dance of honeybee conveying to other bees means the group of bees it is calling for nectar, so the answer is group communication. Here this is the group communication for question number 30. Okay, and now we are coming to the comprehension. Okay, for this comprehension also I will explain on the board from question number 31 to 32, 33, 34, and as well as 35 and as well as 30, 35. Okay, so 31 to 35 I will explain on the board. These questions mathematically we have to solve them, so that's why I will explain them on the board. After this video, please watch that video also. And next, coming to the question number 36. Select the option that shows the storage devices in the order of capacity from lowest to highest. Okay, so lowest to highest order of the capacity, the lowest one here is given as the CD-ROM is the lowest one, DVD-ROM is the next one, Blu-ray is the sophisticated one or the highest technology. So option 1 is the coming to the second options. Blu-ray is the latest technology. DVD-ROM is also one of the latest, and DVD-ROM here fourth option also one of the latest technology as compared to the CD-ROM. So CD-ROM is the lowest one. So option 1 is the correct answer. CD-ROM, DVD-ROM and Blu-ray is the correct sequence from lowest to highest. So this one is considered as the correct answer for question number 36. Next, the present form of the inter-university board that was previously established for promoting cooperation and coordination among the universities is, it is called as NUEPA. Option 2 is the correct answer. So NUEPA is the correct answer. This is the present form of inter-university board. Okay. Now coming to the question number 38, that is assertion. Methemoglobinemia, sorry, methemoglobinemia is a condition in which blood is not able to carry and deliver enough oxygen to body. Consuming drinking water with high nitrate levels may cause methemoglobinemia. Okay, so methemoglobinemia is a disease which is caused by having high nitrate levels in the blood. Okay, whenever you have taken those high nitrate levels from water, this will cause. So the answer is true for assertion and as well as the reason. So both A and are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So answer is option is 1 for the question number 38. Okay, so question number 38, the answer is 1, option is 1. Okay. Now coming to the question number 39. Select the true statement about the operating systems. Okay. So this question is from the information technology section. So we answered this. An OS controls peripherals, allocates memory and organizes data into fields and records. An OS provides protection against virus and control peripherals. An OS controls peripherals and allocate memory processor time. NOS controls the processors and peripherals and allows the user to connect to the internet. The first one allocates memory. Up to here it is okay, and organizes data into fields and records. It's the wrong answer. Database management system is responsible for this, allocates the data in the form of fields and records. So this one is option one is the wrong answer. And OS provides protection against viruses. It is and control peripherals. It's not the activity of the OS, so it is also wrong answer. And OS control peripherals and allocate memory and processor time. These three are the correct functionalities of the OS. So option 3 is the correct answer. And coming to the option 4, we will see OS control the processor and peripherals allows the user to connect to the internet. It is also not the functionality of the OS. So only 3 is matching here. The option 3 is matching here. So option 3 is the correct answer for question number 39. Now coming to the question number 40, which of the following are not correctly matched? Okay, Gyan Darshan is satellite based education TV channel. Gyanvani Educational FM Radio Network, MOOCs Massive Open Online Credits. Okay, so Gyan Darshan, Gyanvani are not related here. Only the MOOCs is here. Okay, so the option what are the correctly matched here is only the MOOCs. Okay, but here the question is answering which are the not correctly matched. Which of the following is not correctly matched? So 1 and 2 are not correctly matched. So option for this option 1 is the correct answer. Gyan Darshan, Gyanvani are wrong answers for this. Okay. And next, coming to the question number 41 here is which of the following are priority areas in relation to the sustainable development goals? No poverty, zero hunger, reducing urbanization, peace, justice, and strong institutions. Which of the following is the correct one answer? Okay, based on the areas, priority areas in relation to the sustainable development goals. No poverty, zero hunger, peace, justice, and strong institutions. These A, B, D are the correct answers. So option 4 is the A, B, D having option 4. So option 4 is the correct answer for question number 1. No poverty, zero hunger, and peace, justice, and strong institutions. Now coming to the question number 42. In post-independence India, which one of the following commissions report deals with all levels of the education in India? In post-independence of India, the commission, name of the commission, which reports deals with all levels of the education in India is Sargent Commission. So option 1 is the correct answer for question number 42. Now coming to the question number 43. The Education Commission of India that first took serious note of the problem of brain drain was the Education Commission of India is the option 1. Option 2, the University Education Commission, the Calcutta University Commission, the Sargent Commission. For this, the correct answer is the Education Commission of India. And coming to the question number 44, which of the following is a type of malware intentionally inserted into a software system that will set off a malicious function when specified conditions are met? When specified conditions are met, okay, some of the conditions are true, some malicious function will work in the software for system that is called as the logic bomb. So option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now coming to the question number 45, which of the following statements are true in respect to the wireless technology? Bluetooth is a wireless technology that can be used to connect a headset to a mobile phone, and Bluetooth is a long range wireless technology and is low cost means of data transfer. Here P is correct answer. Why? Because Bluetooth is a wireless technology, that is true, and it is used to connect a headset to a mobile, that is okay. But coming to the next statement, Q, Bluetooth is not a long range, it is a short range actually, short range wireless technology, and low, it's not a low cost, it's a high cost, okay, of data. It's a it's not a low cost of data transfer. It is also okay, it's low cost of data transfer, but it is whatever data cost transfer it is depends upon, but basically it is a short range wireless technology. So Q is wrong, P is only true. So option 1 is having only P only true. Okay, so option 1 is correct answer for question number 45. Coming to the question number 46, high concentration of ozone is the lower troposphere is desirable. Ozone present in the atmosphere protects the living organisms in the surface of earth from the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Here high concentration of the ozone of low troposphere is desirable is false. In low troposphere high concentration of the ozone is not required. Okay, so A is wrong, whereas R is true. Okay, so what is the correct answer for this is option 4. A is false and R is true. R is true because ozone present in the atmosphere protects the living organisms and surface of the earth from the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. It is true. So that's why R is only true. So that's why the option 4 is the correct answer for question number 46. Now coming to the question number 47. Which one of the following pairs least matches in respect to the computers? 1 gigabyte and CRT cathode ray tube, okay, and RAM rapid only online memory and CPU central processing unit. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 into 1024 into 1024 into 8 bits. It is true. Okay, so it is highly matching. And cathode ray tube, CRT stands for cathode ray tube, true, highly matching. And ROM, read only memory, but here it is given as rapid online memory, it is very least matching. And CPU is also highly matching, it is exactly matching central processing unit. So option 3 is least matching, so option 3 is the right answer for question number 47. Okay, now coming to the question number 48. Which one of the following instructional designs is not a part of the Swayam launched by Government of India? Okay, so Swayam is used to work with the work by providing the students to e-tutorials, e-contents, and as well as the discussion forums, but not the physical interaction. So 3 is the correct answer for question number 48. Now coming to the question number 49. Algal blooms in Oligotro- oligotrophic lakes are algal blooms are very rarely happening conditions, okay, in the lakes. So that's why 3 is the correct answer, very rare. Algal blooms are very rarely happening, so that's why 3 is the correct answer. Okay, and coming to the question number 50. In the last few years, India has been affected by which of the following tropical cyclones? Gaja, Hudud Bima Oki, and Gaja Hudud Oki, Gaja Bima Oki. Here, the last 3 years we are facing only three, Gaja, Hudud, and Oki only, tropical cyclones. So that's why option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, so up to now the paper 1 of June 2019 is completed, and some problematic things are there, those I will explain on the board. Those need explanation on the board, like questions which are there here just now I told, so I will explain them on the board. Please watch the next following video also on this June 2019. See this comprehension, I will explain on the board, and as well as some other questions are also there, like 23, 24, 22, 23, and 24 questions. Okay, 22, 23, and as well as 24 questions. These questions are also there, I will explain on the board. See, one request to all of you, if at all anybody not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials for more videos. Okay, thank you all of you. Please subscribe and give comments and give suggestions also. So thank you all of you, thank you for watching.